Have you ever wondered how a remote control car works? Or maybe you've been curious about how to operate one? It's quite fascinating, isn't it? The idea of a miniature machine zipping around corners all at the click of a button. The world of remote control cars is filled with speed, precision, and a dash of adrenaline. It's not just a toy, it's a marvel of engineering. Well, you're in the right place to discover all about remote control cars. So, stick around. A remote control car is no ordinary toy. It's a sophisticated piece of engineering that requires a certain degree of skill to operate. These marvels of miniaturization are more than just scaled-down versions of their full-sized counterparts. They are intricately designed to replicate the performance and handling of real cars, all controlled by a handheld device. Imagine, if you will, a car that can race at breakneck speed, perform tricks, and even navigate treacherous terrains, all at the command of your fingertips. That's the thrill of a remote control car. But how does it work, you ask? Well, the magic lies in the transmitter. This device sends radio waves to a receiver within the car, which then interprets the signals into actions. Steering, accelerating, braking, all these functions are controlled remotely. It may seem complex at first, but don't worry, we're going to break it down for you. To use a remote control car, you'll need two main components: the car itself and the remote control. These two parts work in tandem to give you, the operator, full control of the car's movements and actions. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll want to make sure both the car and the remote control have fresh batteries. Nothing spoils the fun faster than a remote control car running out of juice mid-race. Once you've confirmed that both devices are powered up, it's time to switch them on. You'll find the power switch on the bottom of the car and another one on the remote control. Do make sure these are turned on before you proceed. Now, let's get moving. On your remote control, you'll typically find two levers. The one on the left usually controls forward and backward movement, while the one on the right controls left and right movement. Push the left lever forward and voila, your car is on the move. Pull it backward and the car will reverse. Similarly, push the right lever to the left or right to make the car turn in those directions. Don't worry if you find this a bit tricky at first. It takes a little practice to get the hang of it. But once you do, you'll be maneuvering your car like a pro. Now onto the advanced features. Some remote control cars come equipped with lights, sounds, and even the ability to perform stunts, all controlled by buttons or switches on the remote control. These certainly add an extra layer of fun to the experience, but remember, they are just the icing on the cake. The real thrill comes from mastering the basic movements and racing your car around the track. And there you have it. You're now ready to take your remote control car for a spin. So, to summarize what we've discussed today, we've delved into the fascinating realm of remote control cars. These aren't your average run-of-the-mill toys. They're intricate machines designed with precision and attention to detail, mirroring the engineering marvel that is a full-sized automobile. We've explored what a remote control car is, shedding light on its components and how they come together to create a miniaturized version of the vehicles we see on our roads every day. From the transmitter, which is your handheld device, to the receiver nestled within your car, we've seen how these components communicate to bring your remote control car to life. We've also gotten hands-on, understanding how to operate these machines. We've learned how to maneuver them, mastering the art of steering, accelerating, and braking. We've also tackled some troubleshooting tips to ensure your remote control car stays in top shape. But it's not just about the mechanics, it's about the thrill of control, the joy of seeing your car zip around corners and race down straightaways. It's about the satisfaction of mastering a new skill and the excitement of a new hobby. So whether you're a seasoned hobbyist or a novice just dipping your toes into the world of remote control cars, remember that it's about more than just the car. It's about the journey, the learning, and the fun you'll have along the way. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of remote control cars. We hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to take your remote control car for a spin.